Do you want to know how you can log into your Kelly Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Kelly Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar to search for Kelly Payroll Login. Then click on the second link which appears on your screen. After you click on the second link, it will take you to the official page of Kelly Benefits Payroll. What you need to do is click on Login, which you can see on the top right hand side. After you click Login, it will take you to the official login portal of KTBS, which is also known as Kelly Payroll. Now what you need to do is write down your username on the first box. After you write down your username, go ahead and write down your password in the second box. Then click on this eye icon and check your password. Make sure that your username and password matches with your account on Kelly Benefits Payroll and then click Login. This way you can successfully log into your Kelly Payroll account. Let me show it to you by searching it again. Go ahead and open any browser. Go to the search bar and search for Kelly Payroll Login and click on the second link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official site of Kelly Benefits Payroll. Click on Login, which is over here, and this is the login portal. Write down your username in the first box, your password in the second box, and then click Login. After that, you will be logged into your Kelly Benefits Payroll account. If you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, this is the link for you, so go ahead and click on it and then write down your username and email address. A mail will be sent to your email address which you have associated with your account, and then you can reset your password so quite easily. So this was a video on how you can log into your Kelly Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.